Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best WordPress themes for business websites, whether you run a small startup, an agency, a service business, or a personal brand. These themes are fast, modern, and super easy to customize. Let's get started. Why these themes are perfect for business. Professional design, clean, modern layouts that make your business look credible and trustworthy. Responsive and mobile-friendly, works perfectly on smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Customizable. Change colors, fonts, layouts, and even add video sections without coding. Fast loading. Optimized for speed so clients won't leave your site due to slow performance. SEO-friendly. Built to rank well in search engines, bringing more potential clients to your business. Business and consulting features. Services sections, portfolios, team pages, testimonials, and call-to-action buttons included. Demo import ready. Most of these themes come with ready-made templates, so you can launch your site quickly. Supports plugins. Works with Elementor, Gutenberg, WooCommerce, and other essential plugins. Video and portfolio support. Great for showcasing your work, projects, or promotional videos. Go to WordPress dashboard appearance themes add new. Upload your theme or search for it. Click install activate. And that's it. These are some of the best WordPress themes you can use to build a professional business website in just a few hours. If you want a video on how to customize any of these themes step by step, just comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.